Listen, we were flying 8 knots, 7 knots constantly, over 8 knots actually. Maybe a little bit too much sail out today, but you know what? That happens. Next time, maybe we'll start with a reef in the main. We're at a nice spot right now. We're about to, we just got settled in just before noon, and we're going to enjoy the day on the beach and maybe do some spear fishing. Low tide, I think, is around 6 o'clock. I'm in a nice spot here right now. Deep water, no problem. Sandy's down below making breakfast, right? Because we just left this morning with coffee, and now we got to eat something. So we made incredible time, incredible. Doing over 7 knots here. Now, we've let out the sails to release the pressure, and we're still doing over 7 knots. Maybe I should have had a reef in the mainsail today. I didn't.
2 reefs.
Maybe I should have had 2 reefs. You're right. Maybe 3. It doesn't matter. You can still go fast. But we've adjusted the sails now. We've adjusted them, and I'm in a lot more control of the vessel right now in these conditions. It's just the swells are coming in off the Atlantic here. There's not a lot of blockage. And did you just turn it off?
No.
Did you hit the top button?
No.
Okay. There's not a lot of blockage here, so the rollers just come in. And we're taking them on the beam. The wind's on the beam, so it gets out of control a little bit. But I think the sail adjustment now is really good. Yeah, I like it. So guys, I bumped my head on a rock while we're spearfishing, and I started bleeding. So I'm out of the water, and Sandy is just ahead of me. I'm just rowing, following behind her and watching out for her, because you know the blood and the sharks. So just that the sharks are really slipper lobster. We'll discuss that later. But yeah, I got a slipper lobster. Caught them before, but anyway, Sandy will be ripping the tail off of that guy. I don't want to touch him. Sandy, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get the skin off of the membranes.
Conversation yesterday about seagulls in the Bahamas. Look at, we haven't seen any seagulls in the Bahamas, right? And now, believe this, do you guys believe in karma? Because this is what happens, okay? So this morning, there are no seagulls in the Bahamas, but this morning, look what we see on our deck. Bird shit everywhere, okay? The bird shit on our boat last night because we were talking about seagulls, I guess. Now, what's gonna have to happen here is I'm gonna have to clean this up.
Even
yes.
The visor, it's all over the visor and everything.
Yeah, it's on my solar panels as well up there. The bird shit everywhere. I mean, they heard us talk. The native birds heard us talking about introducing seagulls, I guess, into the Bahamas, and so they shit all over us.
Yeah. They weren't very happy about our conversation, obviously.
If you see me wearing the same clothes, it's for a reason, because on the Navicula, there's no space for John's clothes. All the closets, and there's plenty of closet space here, okay guys? It's all Sandy's clothes, okay? My clothes doesn't get washed with Sandy's clothes either. So that's why I do wear the same clothes, guys, because I am limited to what I have. Sandy doesn't bring stuff for me, she brings stuff for herself. You know what? She brings underwear and socks. Who the hell brings underwear and socks to the beach? But listen, thanks for following along, guys, and we appreciate it. And it's been a great experience here. We've done some stuff we've never done before here in the Bahamas, and
seen some different things.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Thanks a lot, guys. Talk to you soon.